हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल कंप्यूटर साइंस वर्ल्ड। सो गाइस, आज हम कर रहे हैं एमसीक्यूज और टॉपिक है ज़ीमैन इफेक्ट, पास्ट बैक इफेक्ट एंड स्टार्क इफेक्ट फॉर ए सिंगल वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम। ठीक है, तो इससे पहले हम स्टार्ट करें गाइस, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें। और अगर आपको किसी और टॉपिक पे एमसीक्यूज चाहिए या कोई एक्सप्लेनेटरी वीडियो चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज रामन इफेक्ट इज द स्कैटरिंग ऑफ डैश ए एटम्स, बी molecules, सी protons, डी photons. So here option D is the correct answer, that is photons. Question number second is in Raman spectroscopy the radiation lies in dash A microwave region, B visible region, C UV region and D is X-ray region. So here option B is the correct answer, that is it lies in the visible region. Question number third is Raman lines are dash A weak, B strong, C curved, D blurry. So here option A is the correct answer, that is weak. Question number fourth, Zeeman effect is the splitting of spectral lines in the presence of dash A electric field, B magnetic field, C inert environment, D vacuum. So here option B is the correct answer, that is magnetic field. Question number fifth is at higher magnetic fields the splitting of spectral lines is disturbed. This effect is called dash A Stark effect, B inverse Zeeman effect, C Paschen-Beck effect and D Anna-Moller's Zeeman effect. So here option C is the correct answer, that is Paschen-Beck effect. Next question is Zeeman effect is used to study which property of sun? A solar flares, B sunspots, C magnetic fields and D is electric fields. So it is used to study magnetic field. Okay. Question number 7, the lines corresponding to Zeeman effect exhibit polarization effect. Is it true or false? So it is true. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 8, Zeeman effect and Stark effect are analogous to each other. Is it true or false? So this is also true. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 9 is the selection rules for the Paschen-Beck effect can be derived as A ml is equal to 0, 1, ms is equal to 0. B del ml is equal to 0 and 1, ms is equal to 0. C del ml is equal to 0 plus minus 1 and del ms is equal to 0. D none of these. So here option C is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 10, what are the possible states of a d electron in a 1 electron atomic system? So for a d electron we know L is equal to 2. For calculating S we know the formula 2s plus 1 is equal to L, and for calculating J we know the formula L plus minus S. Okay, so we can calculate S and J from here. Hence two possible states are coming, that is 2d 3 by 2 and 2d 5 by 2. Okay guys, let's move to the next question. Question number 11 is what is the condition for observing Paschen-Beck effect? So when the external field becomes stronger than the internal magnetic field, then we observe Paschen-Beck effect. This is the reason behind this. Question 12, what is the value of gyromagnetic ratio for the orbital motion of an electron in an atom? So the value is mu L by PL is equal to E by 2mc. Question number 13th is the value of gyromagnetic ratio for spin and orbital motion is same, A true or B false? So B option is the correct answer, that is false. This is not same because जो वैल्यू होती है ऑर्बिटल मोशन की गायरोमैग्नेटिक रेशो में वो और जो स्पिन की वैल्यू होती है, जो स्पिन की वैल्यू ट्वाइस होती है ऑर्बिटल मोशन से. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, द सेपरेशन ऑफ Zeeman कंपोनेंट्स इज गिवन बाय डेल lambda is equal to plus minus lambda square by C E by 4 pi m into B. This is the separation of Zeeman components. Okay. Question number 15, the selection rules for the weak field Stark effect are. So the selection rule for weak field Stark effect are del mj is equal to 0 gives us pi component and del mj is equal to plus minus 1 gives sigma components. Okay. Question number 16th, Zeeman effect could not be proved by dash A quantum mechanics, B Bohr's model, C Hamiltonian operator, D LS coupling. So option B is the correct answer, that is Bohr's model. Okay. Question number 17th is Zeeman effects is not observed in dash. A. NMR, B. MRI, C. Optical amplifier, D. laser cooling. So here option C is the correct answer, that is optical amplifier. Question number 18th, Zeeman energy is which energy of magnetized body? A. magnetic energy, B. kinetic energy, C. potential energy, D. total energy. So here option C is the correct answer, that is potential energy. Question number 19th is which of the following cannot be conserved during Raman scattering? A. total energy, B. momentum, C. kinetic energy, D. electronic energy. So kinetic energy is not conserved during Raman scattering. Question number 20th. The Raman spectrum is said to consist of stroke lines when dash. Del V is greater than 0, del V less than 0, del V is equal to 0 and does not depend on del V. So here option A is the correct answer, that is del V greater than 0. Question number 21. The most commonly used laser for Raman spectroscopy is A. Andy Yag, B. Ruby laser, C. HENE laser, helium neon laser, D. semiconductor laser. So here option C is the correct answer, that is helium neon laser. Okay. Next question is, for a particular vibrational mode to appear in the Raman spectrum, what must change? A. frequency of radiation, B. intensity of radiation, C. molecular shape, D. molecules polarizability. So here option D is the correct answer, that is molecular polarizability. Question number 23. Which of the following lines are most intense? A. Stoke lines, B. Rayleigh scatter lines, C. anti-Stoke lines, D. all have same intensity. So Rayleigh scatter lines are most intense. Option B is the correct answer. So guys, these are all about MCQs of Zeeman effect, Paschen-Beck effect and Stark effect for a single valence electron. Okay guys, so subscribe the channel please. Thank you. Keep supporting and subscribe the channel please. आज हमने ये वाले MCQs करे हैं, हम टॉपिक वाइज MCQs कर रहे हैं फिजिक्स के, जिसमें हमने अभी तक कौन कौन से टॉपिक कर लिए हैं वो मैं बता देती हूँ आपको। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम कौन सा करने वाले हैं वो भी बता देती हूँ। हमने अभी तक टॉपिक करे हैं स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक ऑफ एटम, स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ अल्कली मेटल्स, वेक्टर एटम मॉडल एंड डबल फाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्कली मेटल्स, वेक्टर एटम मॉडल फॉर 2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड डिफरेंट कपलिंग स्कीम। आज हमने करा ज़ीमैन इफेक्ट, पास्चन इफेक्ट एंड स्टार्क इफेक्ट फॉर ए सिंगल वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन। और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा होने वाला है मोलिकुलर फिजिक्स का। ओके, so guys, stay tuned and subscribe the channel please. Thank you all.